Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? உங்களை இந்த ஊடகத்தின் வழியாக மீண்டும் சந்திப்பது மகிழ்ச்சி. நம்ம சில வீடியோக்களுக்கு முன்னால் சிம்பிள் காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் காம்பவுண்ட் சென்டென்சஸோட ஒரு டைப் போட்டிருந்தோம். ஸோ தட் டூ அதெல்லாம் பயன்படுத்துகிற மாதிரி. Do you remember? இன்னைக்கு அடுத்த ஒரு டைப் மட்டும் பார்ப்போம். இது ஒரு 7-8 செக்மெண்ட்ஸாக பார்க்கணும். இன்றைக்கி ஒரு செக்மெண்ட் பார்ப்போம். இது நார்மலானது. ஒரு நிகழ்வு அதோட நேரடியான காரண காரியம் அதுக்காக அப்படி நடக்குங்கிறது உள்ள மாதிரி. லெட்ஸ் ஸ்டார்ட். தி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் saw the teacher. They stopped making noise. So I am going to combine these two sentences as a single sentence. Listen to me. The students saw the teacher and they stopped making noise. This is compound. This is compound. As the students saw the teacher, they stopped making noise. This is complex. Simple எப்படி சொல்றது? Seeing the teacher, the students stopped making noise. Simple. Or we can say, having seen the teacher, the students stopped making noise. Okay, next. Our teacher is diligent. He is popular among students. Okay, two sentences. So I am going to combine this first as a compound sentence. Our teacher is diligent and so he is popular among students. Complex. Since our teacher is diligent, he is popular among students. Simple. Our teacher is popular among the students because of his diligence. இந்த பாருங்க, இப்போ வந்து நான் அந்த adjective diligent அப்படிங்கிறத diligence அப்படிங்கிற நான் மாற்றிட்டேன். So let's see the next sentence, next example. யாராவது ஒரு தலைமை பொறுப்பில் ஒரு அதிகாரியாக இருக்கும்போது அப்படியே எல்லாம் பொம்மிக்கிட்டு இருப்பாங்க. அவர் வெளியே போயிட்டார்னா எல்லாம் ஆட்டம் போடுவாங்க. கிளாஸ் ரூமே எடுத்துக்கோமே, சார் இருக்கார், சார் இருக்கும்போது எல்லாம் பம்மிட்டு இருப்போம். சார் வெளியில் போனால் எல்லாம் ஆட்டம் போட்ட ஆரம்பிச்சிருவாங்க இல்லையா? ரைட். ஓகே. த கேட் இஸ் அவே. The mice are at play. Two sentences. So let's combine these two sentences into a single sentence. First, as a compound sentence. Okay. The cat is away. So the mice are at play. இதே காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் சொல்லணும்னா, as the cat is away, the mice are at play. Right. இப்போ ரெண்டு சப்ஜெக்ட், அங்கே கேட்டு இங்கே மைஸ். ஓகே, தி கேட், தி மைஸ். இப்போ ரெண்டு சென்டென்ஸ் வரும் பொழுது எப்படி நம்ம ஒரு பகுதியை நம்ம என்ன மாற்றுறோம், அந்த பார்ட்டிசிபிளாக மாற்றிக்கிட்டு அதை ஃப்ரேஸாக மாற்றிக்கிட்டு இந்த பக்கம் அப்படியே இருக்க போகுது. ஓகே, இப்போ பாருங்க, தி கேட் பீயிங் அவே, த மைஸ் ஆர் அட் பிளே. நவ் we have combined the two sentences into a simple sentence. Okay. Next example. They had no rains that year. The villagers moved out of their village. Two sentences. Okay. Let's join as a compound sentence. Okay. They had no rains that year and so the villagers moved out of their village. The same complex. Okay. The villagers moved out of their village because they had no rains that year. The villagers moved out of their village because they had no rains that year. இதே சிம்பிளா எப்படி சொல்லலாம்? The villagers moved out of their village because of no rains that year. அந்த பார்ட்டை அப்படியே ஃப்ரேஸாக மாற்றியாச்சு. They had no rains அப்படிங்கிறத என்ன செஞ்சிட்டோம்? Because of no rains that year அப்படின்னு மாற்றிட்டோம். சிம்பிளாக சொல்லணும் எப்படி சொன்னேன்? The villagers moved out of their village because of no rains that year. That's all. Another example. Raja was poor. He could not buy books. Two sentences. See how I combined. Raja was poor and so he could not buy books. Compound. Complex. As Raja was poor, he could not buy books. Or you can say since Raja was poor, he could not buy books. Complex. Simple. Raja couldn't buy books because of his poverty. Or we can say being poor, Raja couldn't buy books. See, simple வந்து ரெண்டு வகையாக சொல்லியிருக்கேன் பாருங்க. Raja couldn't buy books because of his poverty. Noun form போட்டேன். Or we can say, அந்த first அப்படியே phrase சொல்லிடலாம். Being poor, Raja couldn't buy books. Simple. So let's go to the next example. She was sick. She didn't come. Okay. Compound sentence. She was sick and she didn't come. Or you can say she was sick so she didn't come. Compound. Complex. As she was sick, she didn't come. Complex. She didn't come because she was sick. Simple. She didn't come owing to her sickness. Owing to her sickness, she didn't come. Simple. Next example. It was raining. We cancelled the meeting. Compound. It was raining and so we cancelled the meeting. Complex. We cancelled the meeting because it was raining. We cancelled the meeting because it was raining. Simple. We cancelled the meeting because of rain. We cancelled the meeting because of rain. Simple. Okay, another example. Mother ill. Mother was ill. Anand couldn't go to school. Okay. Compound. Mother was ill, so Anand couldn't go to school. Complex. Anand couldn't go to school because his mother was ill. Simple. Anand couldn't go to school because of his mother's illness. Okay. See now three sentences. He was ill or he is ill. Okay. He is ill. He is taking rest. He doesn't do anything. Three sentences. Now I am going to combine these three sentences into a compound sentence. See. Raja is ill and he is taking rest without doing anything. Raja is ill and he is taking rest without doing anything. Complex. As Raja is ill, he is taking rest without doing anything. Simple. Being ill, Raja is taking rest without doing anything. This is simple. So, as, since, because. We use these three words for this type for complex sentences. Dear viewers, we need your support. Help us to help you. So, subscribe our channel and share this to your friends and relatives. Thanks for watching. Cheers.